Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for the 24th of June 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First and foremost, we will look at how Nifty traded today. The NSE index opened lower today before staging a recovery and trading with a positive bias for most of the trading session to finally close in the green. Nifty ended higher by 0.83% or 197.55 points at 24,021.65. The recovery seen today was due to recovery in the Asian markets, muted crude oil prices, and hopes of an India-US trade deal which, as per reports, has reached its final stages. Most sectors ended in the green with realty, IT, and banking emerging as the best performers. Auto and metals were the only sectors that witnessed a correction. Volatility for the index took a dip. Following today's gains, levels need to be adjusted upwards with supports now being at 24,000 followed by 23,870 while resistances will be at 24,130 followed by 24,290. For tomorrow, we may witness consolidation within a range with a slight negative bias to account for some profit booking before the long weekend given that Friday is a market holiday on account of Muharram. External cues such as updates from the US as well as other major markets overnight will provide further clues towards possible moves for Nifty tomorrow. Volatility may spike on account of weekly expiry for SENSEX contracts, which will affect the NSE index as well. A recovery above 24,480 for Nifty may lead to higher levels, while a break below 23,400 may cause the index to tumble even further. Next, let us take a view of how Sensex traded. Sensex posted slightly better gains than Nifty as it closed higher by approximately 791 points or 1.04% at approximately 76,991. Levels for Sensex need to be adjusted upwards as well, with supports now being at 76,645 followed by 76,250, while resistances will be at 77,210, followed by 77,750. The BSE index may be expected to become bullish above 78,385, while a break below 75,790 may result in the bears dominating proceedings. Now we will take a look at the moves seen in crude oil. Crude oil prices have continued consolidating within a range with a negative bias. Relative normalization in the Middle East, with the US-Iran negotiations progressing and Israel engaging in dialogue with Lebanon, has resulted in said correction. Volatility at the energy counter has dipped further. Given the further correction seen in crude oil prices, levels may be moved further downwards, with supports now being at 6,735 followed by 6,550, while resistances will be at 6,935 followed by 7,110. For today, we can expect more of the same for crude oil with consolidation continuing with a negative bias. The reopening of the Strait of Hormuz, which will open up a major supply region for the commodity, as well as lower global demand, will add on to the selling pressure. Traders may continue with their sell on the rise approach with strict stop losses as sudden flare-ups in the Middle East cannot be ruled out for now. The energy counter may witness bullish momentum above 7,650, while a break below 6,735 may lead to further corrections. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. Adani Group has unveiled plans to develop 10 gigawatts of nuclear energy capacity by 2035, marking a major step into India's expanding clean energy sector. The move comes after the government opened the nuclear power industry to private and foreign participation, creating new growth opportunities in the country's energy transition journey. Axis Bank has successfully raised $800 million through a dual tranche dollar bond issue under its Global Medium-Term Note program. The fundraising includes $500 million in perpetual AT1 bonds and $300 million in 5-year senior unsecured notes, strengthening the bank's capital position and supporting future growth. Oberoi Realty shares gained after the company received RERA approval for its new real estate project in Gurugram. The development marks a significant expansion beyond its core Mumbai market and is expected to strengthen the company's geographic diversification and long-term growth prospects. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that free webinars will be conducted this weekend. On Saturday at 12 p.m., Mr. Amol Chapi will be conducting a webinar on the topic Bollinger Band Institutional Reversal Trap Strategy for Options Trading. And on Sunday at 3 p.m., Mr. Chetan Gupta will conduct a webinar on the topic Option Selling Masterclass. Learn option strategies. Do check the description for the webinar links. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching. And as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.